Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase speed in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots, speed is the difference between getting a celestial Brainrot and getting the sand back to spawn. Here, I'm going to show you the speed upgrade shop location so that you can get more brain rots. So what you need to do here, you can just find this shop called upgrade shop. Just walk to the shop and here there will be the options to increase your speeds. So you can make sure that you have enough money to buy the upgrade. So for example, I'm going to go with 51 speed. So you can just buy it, click on the money, or you can also buy it using Robux like this, and now your speed has been upgraded. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.